Welcome to Sir Boats Yacht, the place where we explore the most iconic and well-crafted sailing yachts from around the world. Today, we are diving into a classic that has earned its place among enthusiasts of traditional cruising sailboats, the Ta Shing Baba 30. Known for its elegant lines, timeless craftsmanship, and seaworthy design, this yacht embodies everything a sailor looks for in a reliable and beautiful vessel. Whether you are a seasoned sailor or someone curious about classic yachts, the Baba 30 has a story and a personality worth exploring, and today we will walk you through its key features, design philosophy, interior, performance, and unique selling points. The Ta Shing Baba 30 immediately captures attention with its traditional canoe stern and sweeping sheer line. From a distance, the hull presents a graceful curve that harks back to classic yacht designs of the mid-20th century, yet it incorporates modern construction techniques that ensure durability and seaworthiness. Its full keel and balanced underwater profile offer stability and comfort even in challenging conditions, making it a boat that is as confident on long ocean passages as it is in coastal cruising. Unlike some modern racing-oriented designs, the Baba 30 is about measured, predictable handling, which makes it an ideal choice for sailors who value control and reliability over raw speed. The exterior design is more than just aesthetically pleasing. Every curve and line serves a purpose. The canoe stern improves handling and reduces turbulence in following seas, while the moderate beam ensures a comfortable balance between space and performance.
The bowsprit allows for a cutter rig setup, which is perfect for long-distance cruising where sail versatility is essential. The dual forestays and neatly designed rigging not only add to the visual charm, but also provide practical sailing benefits, allowing for multiple headsail configurations depending on wind conditions. Bronze fittings, teak caprails, and carefully placed handrails give the yacht a classic feel while remaining highly functional. In bright daylight, the contrast between the ivory white hull, blue sheer stripe, and varnished teak is nothing short of stunning, making the Baba 30 a vessel that stands out both in the marina and under sail. Moving inside, the interior of the Ta Shing Baba 30 reflects the same dedication to craftsmanship that is apparent on deck. The layout is designed to maximize space and functionality without compromising the classic aesthetic. The main cabin welcomes you with polished teak paneling and cabinetry, soft cushions, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. Handcrafted joinery and attention to detail are evident in every corner, from the neatly fitted storage lockers to the brass fittings that accentuate the woodwork. This is a space that feels intimate yet practical, allowing sailors to feel at home even on extended voyages. The sleeping area, or V-berth, continues this theme of comfort and style. It is cozy yet spacious enough for two adults, with well-padded cushions and smart storage solutions tucked into the sides.
Small brass reading lights provide a touch of functionality while maintaining the classic nautical charm. The space feels warm and protected, and the careful attention to wood finishes and joinery ensures a sense of quality that is rare in yachts of this size. This area is perfect for overnight cruising or weekend getaways, offering a peaceful retreat after a day on the water. The galley is compact but extremely well thought out. Polished teak countertops, a small marine stove, and a functional sink with brass fixtures provide all the essentials for preparing meals on board. Storage compartments and spice racks are efficiently arranged, reflecting the design philosophy of combining beauty with utility. Everything is within easy reach, and the layout allows for safe operation even in rough seas. The galley is an example of how the Baba 30 manages to balance classic aesthetics with practical usability, giving sailors the ability to enjoy long passages without sacrificing comfort. The bathroom, or marine head, is similarly designed with space efficiency and craftsmanship in mind. Teak cabinetry, brass hardware, and a small sink create a compact but functional area. Storage is cleverly integrated, and the space is easy to maintain and use, which is especially important on longer cruises. The design ensures that even the most utilitarian spaces on board retain the sense of elegance and quality that defines the Baba 30. When it comes to performance, the Ta Shing Baba 30 delivers a satisfying blend of stability, predictability, and ease of handling. The full keel and moderate displacement make it track straight in most conditions, reducing the need for constant correction at the helm. While it is not a high-speed racer, it responds well under sail and provides a sense of security, particularly for sailors who appreciate a more relaxed, measured sailing experience. The cutter rig allows for flexible sail plans, making it easier to balance power and stability depending on wind strength. Reefing is straightforward, and the rig holds up well in heavier conditions, making the yacht suitable for coastal cruising as well as offshore passages.
Maneuvering under power is also well considered. The Baba 30 is fitted with a reliable diesel engine that is more than capable of handling tight marina situations and short passages when sailing is not practical. Visibility from the cockpit is good, and the layout provides intuitive access to lines and controls. This makes docking and close quarters handling much less stressful, which is a huge advantage for cruisers who spend a lot of time in harbors.
One of the most compelling aspects of the Ta Shing Baba 30 is its unique combination of traditional aesthetics, modern materials, and proven seaworthiness. It appeals not just to sailors looking for performance but to those who appreciate a sense of history, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Each boat is carefully built with attention to detail, which is reflected in the smooth finish of the hull, the fit of the interior woodwork, and the overall balance of the yacht under sail. This level of care ensures that every voyage feels special, whether it is a short day sail or a multi-week cruising adventure. Another selling point is the versatility of the Baba 30.
Its size makes it manageable for a small crew, yet it offers enough comfort for extended trips. The combination of a cutter rig, full keel, and balanced hull form makes it forgiving for less experienced sailors while still providing enough engagement for seasoned sailors who enjoy traditional sailing techniques. It is a yacht that can grow with its owner, offering both challenge and comfort depending on the level of sailing skill and ambition. Durability is also a hallmark of the design. Ta Shing yachts are renowned for quality construction, and the Baba 30 is no exception. Modern fiberglass construction combined with traditional joinery techniques ensures a hull that is strong, watertight, and able to handle rough conditions without sacrificing performance. Bronze fittings and robust deck hardware mean that the exterior ages gracefully, requiring maintenance but rewarding owners with years of service. It is a vessel designed to last, and one that can become a cherished heirloom, passed down through generations of sailors.
Aesthetically, the Baba 30 embodies elegance. Its lines are timeless, combining the sweep of classic yachts with practical proportions that make it both functional and visually appealing. Whether viewed under sail or at anchor, it commands attention without being ostentatious. The canoe stern, moderate beam, and balanced rig create a profile that is instantly recognizable to enthusiasts, and the thoughtful choice of materials, from teak to bronze, enhances the sense of quality and authenticity.
In summary, the Ta Shing Baba 30 is a yacht that successfully marries tradition with modern usability.
It offers sailors a chance to experience the charm and character of classic designs without sacrificing safety, comfort, or performance. From the crisp exterior lines to the warm and inviting interior, it embodies the qualities that make sailing both enjoyable and rewarding. Its versatility, reliability, and elegance make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to own a classic cruising yacht that can handle a variety of conditions and still provide a sense of pride and satisfaction.
Whether you are exploring coastal waters or embarking on longer offshore passages, the Baba 30 delivers a sailing experience that is both manageable and memorable.
It is a yacht that encourages careful seamanship while rewarding owners with a sense of connection to the water and a legacy of classic yacht design. For anyone in the market for a well-crafted, beautiful, and capable cruising sailboat, the Ta Shing Baba 30 represents a compelling option that continues to attract sailors around the world.
Thank you for joining us on Sir Boats Yacht for this in-depth look at the Ta Shing Baba 30. Its combination of design elegance, practical layout, and seaworthy performance makes it a true classic in every sense. Whether you are a seasoned sailor, a cruising enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates beautiful boats, the Baba 30 is a yacht worth knowing, exploring, and sailing. Stay tuned to Sir Boats Yacht for more reviews, insights, and explorations of the world's finest sailing yachts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.